Okay, I'm going to try to get a reading on this. I'm reading 283 right there. Dope. 284. Let me, I got a signal there too. 285. See if I can zoom in for you. 285. Now watch what happens when I touch. Goes to about 140. 141, 142. Pretty good signal on there though. It's supposed to be megahertz. So I guess I gotta get out a spectrum analyzer and check that out. We'll see. I don't know where it's at. I think it's just like white noise. It's everywhere. I don't know though. But I could feel a buzzing with a magnet near it. So we'll see what happens. Okay, I'm gonna start this up again. This is just a little tiny screwdriver. Almost no mass to it at all. And it's not really magnetized. But I can use this to trigger it to start. So power on, and there it is. Now notice the neon bulbs down there. I'm going to shut the lights off. There, now you can maybe see them a little better. But it's running. Those are high voltage neon bulbs. Small, but they're still neon bulbs. Okay, with green phosphorus on the inside. So the coils are flying back. You know, the flyback voltage is what's charging those neon bulbs. So everything is working as it should. I do have a rotating magnetic field. I'm not positive at the frequency just yet. I still can't get a good fix on it. So let me try a couple more things. Maybe I'll have to put it on a scope and see if we can get a nice image on the scope before I go doing anything else to it. I want to change a few things, and I want to make sure that I document this thing working so that I can put it back this way if I need to. But I'm going to try changing polarities on the coils and things like that. So let me see, maybe I will put it on the scope and take a look at it that way. Alright, keep on trucking. Okay, I have a oscilloscope hooked right across one of the coils, one of the empty ones, and I'll show you what I see on the screen. Check this out. Check it out. You can see there's ringing. I don't know if it's going to focus or not, but there's some ringing going on right there. Okay, voltage spikes. There's a little bit of something, a glitch right there. But from what I'm gathering with the scale that I have it on, I'm reading about 20 volts peak to peak, maybe, you know, roughly, because it kind of disappears. So that's what I got there. Okay, you can see what's going on anyway. See if I can get it to trigger where I want. There you go. So you can see what's going on anyway. Yeah, there's a lot of ringing going on there. Well, we'll check out a couple other coils and see if there's anything different on them. Should be identical, but you know how things are. See if that helps. I don't know. Anyway, it's a little skittish, but you get the idea. Sorry about that.